It's your boy Noodles checking in, man. Got another banger for y'all today. We're gonna be putting the rear diffuser on and the front splitter on my car. So the yellow guard is gonna be gone, man. For all the motherfuckers was talking shit in my comments, man. Splitter guard is gonna be gone. Got the Brody back there finna help me out. You feel me? It's a banger, man. Y'all stay tuned. Got the diffuser all sprayed down, ready to go. Got the front splitter all ready to go. Doing the rear diffuser. Had my brother pull up on me, help us out. We were struggling, man. But hey, we doing it, man. We gonna get this thing together, man. We gonna do it.
All right, y'all. So we finally got the rear.
Oh, you gotta take that thing out. Okay.
God. Oh, I thought you already took this one out.
No.
That we were struggling.
No.
And then a pry bar. It's got
See, we was just looking for one of them, bro.
You go to Harbor Freight. Holy shit. Now look. Shit. She go bumper.
What would happen if you don't put a fucking... Nothing would happen?
What?
If you just leave it as like that?
Nah, it's just luxury.
Right. I want to get some new tips, bro. Shit that make my shit pop even more.
Yeah, the exhaust tips might be a little bit more difficult.
Oh, you know how to do them too, though? Or
I know how to do them. I don't got a welder. Those you got to get welded, but Rainbow Muffler will do it.
They gonna tax your ass.
They gonna tax you.
But, hey, you gotta pay to play.
This one is more difficult than that. But I think it's because this is pulling on it too.
Right.
It's like I'm working on someone's teeth.
I was like, bro, where Jesse at, bro? He should be pulling up.
Yeah, my alternator ain't in my car. That
was what you did. You find what you needed though?
Someone said they had it, but
they didn't have it.
Chances of him pulling up is slim to none.
So what is it that you need again?
A 15mm socket. But it's a very specific one.
So you wouldn't happen to have that, would you? We got hella toolboxes.
Right, we got hella toolboxes.
So if you want to look through it, bro.
Yeah. We might have when we look through it. But it's a 6.1. So I got the 12.1, but.
And why ain't your alternator? What's going on with that?
So basically the way the alternator works, right? Is whenever you lose power to your car, what the alternator does is it recharges the battery. That way there's a constant voltage running throughout the car. So that way you know your dashboard works and everything. Shit.
Our boy did that.
You did that for sure. Yes, sir.
And my boy got a... So you don't have an alternator in your car at all?
No, I got the alternator. One of those. I was running from the state police all the way. State trooper. All the way from what's over there?
Let me know how she looking, y'all. W or L diffuser. Front splitter coming soon. Thanks to my boys, man. My boys got me right.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, we're gonna get the front splitter coming on soon.